Hello and a very warm welcome to Festool TV. My name is Alan. You have invested in a Festool cordless drill driver. Congratulations. One of the fantastic benefits of a drill driver from Festool is having the Centrotech Chuck. So what is it and what are the benefits? The Festool Centrotech Chuck is smaller and lighter, which makes the drill much lighter and more ergonomic. The Centrotech Chuck is also faster in changing bits. With a quick snap, you can very easily interchange between drill and driver bits. And the integrity of the engagement with the drill is excellent. The Centrotech Chuck is the gateway to the Centrotech system, where you have a huge range of drilling and driving accessories available to use. Please join me and let's take a look at a few of the elements in the range. This is the standard bit holder that you will get with your Festool drill driver. To insert a Centrotech bit into the chuck, pull the front green sleeve back and insert the bit. When the bit is fully inserted into the Centrotech chuck, release the green sleeve and the bit is secure. And then from here, you can insert a standard 1/4 inch driver bit. The bit holder is 60mm long and it is magnetic, so you get a nice positive hold of the driver bit. There is also a 150mm long bit holder, and another option is to use the BHS 60 CE bit holder, which clamps the 1/4 inch bit in place. For driver bits, the options start with standard 25mm, and then we jump to Centrotech 50, and there are also 100mm driver bits. These are great for getting into confined areas. They are all available individually or set options. A nice feature of many of the set options is they come in cases where they are visually laid out, easily accessible, and offer you excellent organization. If you need to drive in cup hooks, there is also a cup hook driver bit. To complement the Centrotech is the hand driver if you need that option to drive, and this is great for adjusting hinges. For the drills with percussion action for masonry, the stone set is a great option for you. I found the Centrotech masonry bits so good that even in drill drivers without percussion action, you can easily drill into soft masonry. The stone set has 4, 5, 2 6s, and 8 and a 10mm drill bits. They are also available individually. At some point, everybody needs to drill through metal. Centrotech offers you a 10-piece twist drill bit set. I have found with inferior drill bits that they slide around the metal surface and don't grab where you need them to. So you always need to center punch the metal to give the drill bit a start. But the Centrotech twist drills bite in exactly where you need it. The set comes with an Allen key and you can get replacement points which are easy to fit. Drilling into wood is a pleasure using any of the Centrotech wood bits. We offer many solutions to boring into wood and wood-based materials. The Centrotech Auger and Forstner bit sets are great quality in a convenient mini sustainer. The Auger set is a 6-piece set and offers sizes from 6 to 16mm, and they are 190mm long. The Auger drill bits are great for drilling into solid timber. The Forstner set has 5 drill bits with sizes from 15 to 35mm in increments of 5mm. The Centrotech Forstner bit has a centralizing pin which helps position the hole exactly where you need it, and the outer cutting spurs give you a perfect edge to the hole. The centralizing pin can be removed to keep the bottom of the hole flat and to avoid having the pin possibly burst the back face of the material. The set has a pin remover which you can use to lever the pin out. If you want to drill right through material, replace the pin for the drill bit. The The drill bit will drill through to the other side of the material, and then you can drill from the reverse side using the small piloting hole to help align the hole perfectly from the other side. The drill bit is also good if you want to drill holes at an angle because it extends quite far out the front. The Centrotech Forstner bit is perfect for drilling out holes for hinge cutouts, for example. Centrotech also has brad point drill bits. They are made from high quality ball bearing steel. The brad point makes for precise centering of the drill bit, and they give a wonderfully clean cut. You have a good range of options for the brad point drill bits. There is a 5-piece WK set with sizes 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. They're all 65mm long with a spiral of 25mm. This is a really handy set and are especially good at working in confined areas with our angle chucks. The pack size is small and the drill bits give a wonderfully clean cut. This is something that should be in every toolbox. The W set has the same size of drill bits, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8, but they have longer and varying spiral lengths. And then the 6-piece TL set comes in a case ready to go to site. The drill bits in the TL set are sizes 4, 2 5s, 6, 8 and 10. There are solutions for controlled drilling at depth in wood-based materials. You have the option of a 5mm brad point carbide drill bit with a depth stop. These are great for piloting for Euro screws, for drawer runners or concealed hinges, or drilling out shelf studs. Or you have the option of controlled piloting and countersinking. This is available in a 3.5, 4.5 or 5mm piloting options. You can set the depth of the pilot and the countersinking, adjusting for different screw sizes. These bits really save you time by being able to pilot and countersink at the same time. If you need a longer piloting hole, there is an option for a 60mm deep piloting at 4mm. The drill bits can be replaced. If you just want to countersink or deburr, you have the options of a cutter for 2 to 8mm hole sizes and then 5 to 15mm hole sizes. The countersink bits give you a beautiful finish. A nice option for piloting holes for hinges is the Hinge Drill Bit. It will center the drill bit to the hinge hole and piloting a 5mm hole. It is great for piloting for Euro screws. The drill bit is replaceable. The Centrotech system offers you quick changing, excellent quality drill and driver bits to help process any application you may face. And if you combine the Centrotech system into a sustainer, you have the ultimate in organization, professionalism, and mobility wherever you go. My name is Alan. Thank you for watching Festool TV.